To access the ideation board, click AI menu, Content Generation in the sidebar. This will take you to the ideation board. The ideation board helps you organize and manage your content ideas. All new ideas appear in the Unassigned board before you start working on them. To track progress, you can drag and drop ideas into different boards, such as in Progress or Done. You can also rename these boards to match your workflow. To manually create a new idea, click plus icon button or New Idea button. You can upload an image, write down an idea, and click the Save button. Your idea is now saved under Unassigned board. Click the pencil icon to edit. Or the trash icon to delete. Now let's see how AI can generate content ideas for you on the other tutorial. Check the link in the description box.